finally we complete our chapter more on HTML. In that we first, yes, okay, tell him to watch video that I will be share on the Google Classroom. Okay, so firstly we learn about the how can you add the image in your web page using the img tag. There are the four attributes: src, height, width, and alter. Then we learn the how can you create a table using the table tag. You can add the rows and columns using the tr and the td. You can also merge the cells of the table using the row span and the column span. After it we learn the creating the hyperlink using the a tag, that is also called the anchor tag. Three types of link we learn: external link, internal link, and the image link. External link will be a second web page that is redirected to the another web page. Internal link is inside a web page, same web page. And image link means whenever you click on the image it will be redirected to another web page. It's a like a image link, it's look like a external link. After it we learn the creating the forms using the form tag. Two types we learn. First is the input element. In that we learn the how can you create a text box, radio button, check box, submit button, and reset button. After it we learn the select element, that is used for the creating the drop down list. Now from that let's solve the exercise. Open your page number 58 of your textbook. Question number 1. No need to write down the question 1 in your textbook, sorry notebook. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपको नोटबुक में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ए ब्लैंक इज एन इंटरेक्टिव पेज. मैं फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स नोटबुक में नहीं लिखनी, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन 2 ही लिखना है. ब्लैंक, हाँ मैंने लिखा था राइट डाउन दिस असाइनमेंट इन योर कंप्यूटर्स नोटबुक. टैग सारे इंक्लूड है उसमें, तो सारे आपको लिखने ही है. सिंटेक्स ही है, मैंने एग्जांपल्स तो लिखवाए नहीं है उसमें. Blank is an interactive page which reassemble a page or document containing the text box, option button, drop down list, checkbox, and so on. In which type of web page this all options will be included: the text box, option button, drop down list, and checkbox? Tell me, in which web page you can include this all options: text box, option button, drop down list, and checkbox. Option button means a radio button. Yes. In the A, answer is form. Write down in your textbook with the pencil. A, in the A, answer is form. FORM. B, links to a part or section of the same document. Sorry. Links, please mute yourself first. Whenever two students are speaking together I cannot understood. B, links to a part or a section of same document are called blank links. Same document, same web page, which link is used? Three types of link are there. In which link we are doing this thing? For we are link this part of document or section of document. Yes. In the B, answer is internal links. C, blank are text or pictures which when clicked open another web page or image or another file linked to it. Blank are text or pictures which when clicked open another web page or image or another file linked to it. ये किस में होता है? जब आप उस पर क्लिक करते हो तो दूसरी फाइल आपको ओपन करके देता है. Yes. And the C answer is hyperlinks. D. The blank attribute is used to merge two or more cells across the rows. Which attribute is used to merge the rows? Which attribute is used to merge rows? रो को मर्ज करने के लिए कौन सा एट्रीब्यूट यूज होगा? टेबल का. यस, आंसर इज रो स्पैन. E. A drop down list can be created using blank elements. Rowspan, ROWSPAN. Yes. E में आएगा select element. मैं वापस से बोल रही हूँ. फर्स्ट से A फॉर्म, B इंटरनल, C hyperlinks, D rowspan and E select. Now question number 2 that you have to compulsory write down in your notebook. A. Name the different type of images that are used in your web page. Which image type is most suitable for photographs and why? Firstly, tell me the type of images. How many type of? अभी तक आप ई पे हो, मैंने सारे इसलिए तो रिपीट किए. सिलेक्ट. यस. हाँ. यस. TIF or TIFF, you can say JPGE or you can say JPEG, GIF and PNG. There are the four type of images. And which image type is most suitable for? Yes. For the photography, you have to use the JPG. Why? Yes. It's a more suitable for photos because it needs to display the wide spectrum of colors while still keeping in the file's small size. If you are not able to write the proper sentence, open the page number 47. In it the answer is given in the JPEG. B. What is the difference between the internal and external links? What is the difference between internal and external links? Yes, I can hear the right answer, but it yes. Okay, first difference is about the link. Means external hyperlink is links to the another file, means open another web page, but internal link is linked to the same web page. Second difference for the attributes, for the external link you have to only use the href attribute, but for the internal link you have to use the two attribute compulsory, that is the name and href. This is the two difference between the internal and external links. See, what are the elements that you can add in your HTML form? कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स ऐड कर सकते हो HTML फॉर्म जब आप बना रहे हो? फर्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी है आपकी, वहाँ से ही आंसर दे दो. Yes, text field, radio buttons, then checkbox, drop down list, submit button, reset button. This all you can add in your HTML form. D. Use an HTML tag to convert an image in the given code into a link. When clicked, it should be open the website www.gmail.com. Write the HTML code for the same. Image src flower.jpg, alter flower, height 50, width 50. What is the question? There is a one web page. In the web page there is a one image of flower. Whenever you click on the flower, it will be open the website www.gmail.com. Now tell me what is the code, which tag is used for this. One tag is already given for the image, that is the img src. Now what should you have to do to whenever you click on the image? Huh? Href is tag or a tag? Yes, a tag you have to use. Href is an attribute of a tag. Means here you have to use the external link, means a tag, anchor link, anchor tag, a space href equals to www.gmail.com. then write down the image tag img src equals to flower.jpg, alter flower, height 50, width 50, and close the a tag. Don't forget to close the a tag. This code you have to write down as the answer of D. Now E. Create a simple login page that contains two text boxes where user will enter the name and password. It must have a submit button. यहाँ पे आपको क्या बनाना है? Tell me from the question. Anyone can tell me what we have to be make? We have to make a one login page. Yes, we have to be create a one form in which there are the two text boxes. For one is for the name and second for the password, and third we have to add the button, that is a submit button. So this thing you have to be write down the code for this. You have to be use the input element to insert a text box. Input type equals to text, space, name equals to, write down the simple name. Then for the password, again take the second text box. Input type equals to text, name, password. Then third you have to enter the submit button. For write down input type equals to submit, name, submit. I will be share the code for you, this code for you, but try to write by yourself. Now F. How can you add a drop down menu to select elective subject in your school's registration form? आप किस तरह से ऐड करते हो ड्रॉप डाउन मेनू को अपने HTML अपने वेब पेज में? Which element is used to create a drop down? Yes, by using the select element, create the drop down list with the HTML code. Now write down the HTML code for the same. आपको drop down एक बनाना है. You can write down your own subject for this. So question 2 full you have to write down in your notebook. Now lab activity you have to perform. Create a website containing the 3 web pages that are interlinked. Means एक दूसरे के साथ interlink होने चाहिए. 3 web pages A, B and C. Select an appropriate theme and create the pages as follow. A. The first page should contain background image related to the theme. You can choose your theme. किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर आप बना सकते हो. An introduction to the theme. 2 hyperlinks connected to the second and third page. फर्स्ट पेज में ही सेकेंड और थर्ड को इंटरलिंक करना है. फर्स्ट पेज में सेकेंड और थर्ड पेज की लिंक्स दिखनी चाहिए. The second page should contain table with minimum 2 rows and columns, and also contain a link to an email address. And third, the second page should be connected to the first page through an image hyperlink and to the third page through a link. फर्स्ट पेज में क्या बोला था कि फर्स्ट पेज में दोनों की लिंक होनी चाहिए, सेकंड और थर्ड की। सेकंड पेज में भी सेम होना चाहिए, फर्स्ट और थर्ड की लिंक होनी चाहिए, बट फर्स्ट इमेज में इमेज लिंक होनी चाहिए और सेकंड जो है वो टेक्स्ट लिंक होनी चाहिए, मतलब एक्सटर्नल लिंक होनी चाहिए। C. The third page should contain a form with a text box, radio button, check box and submit button. Means you have to create a form. Simply your choice, आपको किस तरह से बनाना है. You can choose your theme and make your web pages. So here we done our whole chapter of HTML. Now anyone have a doubt in the chapter or exercise, anything else?